How to download YouTube Shorts on mobile. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download YouTube Shorts on your mobile device. So first thing, simply open up your YouTube application, and once you're inside here, as you can see, I have a different level of shorts over here. So when I open my YouTube and I click on shorts, and if you try to click on this three dot over here, you can see there is no any option to download the video directly. So in that case, what you can do is you can utilize the feature inside of your mobile, that is screen recording, which I am doing currently. So you can just screen record by simply heading over to your settings or nav bar just like this and click on this screen recorder option. So once you click on this button, it will automatically start recording. As you can see, my video is being currently recorded as I am showing this video to you. So that is exactly how you can easily download your YouTube Shorts, or basically save your YouTube Shorts on your mobile device. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.